So this is going to be kind of just a quick rundown of how to pull this thing out. I've got it all chained up already. All you have to do on these engines for the Genesis, take off the turbo piping, pull the belts, and pull the fan shroud out. I don't think I actually need to remove the rad, drain all the oils and coolant, and disconnect this stuff up here, move all the wiring harness. It's all connected here. So you just have to move it all to the back of the engine and move it out of the way. The starter, you have to disconnect that through the tranny bolts. Well, it is part of the tranny bolts. I don't know if I can get a light on here. But basically, the starter is, you can't actually remove it on these stupid cars. I don't know why. You have to take the motor mount off, but I'm not even gonna bother with that because the whole engine's coming out. Basically, you just unbolt the tranny bolts, and then there's this motor mount here and the one on the other side, and then you just chain up to it, and that's it. You pull it. It's actually pretty simple.
You're right around here. I'm gonna start wiping my hands on my clean pants. Alright.
There's a bearing in there?
Seems to be. It was right there.
Holy fuck, I didn't realize there was bearings in there.
Oh, there it goes.
Grab and go.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, we're gonna flip this.
Brad should be doing that.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, Brad's got them locks, man.
And that charming smile.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, buddy.
Those are actually some pretty nice rods.
Nice rod.
The first time you said that, eh?
Oh!
Is there a bearing? Where's the bearing?
That is the bearing.
Oh.
It looks like there's two. Oh look!
Oh,
Is it
spun?
welded?
The bearing spun. like very badly.
Spun.
Do you have a
Fun
mallet
spun.
of sorts?
Fun spun.
I thought you were against hitting things.
Yeah.
Give me the fucking hammer.
That spun really good. It spun so good.
You spin.
I can't get it out now.
Good job.
It's probably got a fucking
fucking
ridge.
carbon ridge.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to like push it, like
Hammer it.
snap.
Break those rings.
Break the rings off. I don't give a fuck. Oh!
Why is
Look at that carbon.
Is there a fine screwdriver somewhere?
Look at the top of this thing.
Push, Brad, push.
Be a little bitch.
Congratulations, it's a piston.
I
Yeah.
was gonna make that joke. God damn it.
Oops. It's
guess
out
I-
now.
Whatever you do, fucking drop it.
Yep.
If
Should
you
be.
do drop it.
Unless it died. I'm not sure if it died yet.
Still going.
I might have kicked it though.